You want a cracker? Popeye, you want a cracker? Yeah, I think you're figuring him out. You know that once you get close to him, he doesn't talk. Oh, he's gonna go. He's gonna go up. He's gonna go up. Yep, he's gonna go up. My talented bird. Yeah, it's hanging with one leg. Oh, oh, yeah, it's going that way. He's not living 180. He's only in his 40s or 30s. He's in like an attack mode. There's a statue just sitting there. Something like cracker? Don't you chew your tongue out of me. Gee, you're freaking him out. You're freaking him out. You're making him back and forth. Whoa! You're freaking him out. You are shining. I think you're getting pissed. Dude, you still gotta bite your camera. You gotta bite your phone. Dude, you are freaking my bird out. He doesn't know what that is. You're getting pissed. You are getting very pissed. And that's why you... What? You talking shit, Papa?
Why not?
Do I want to know what?
Huh?
I said, do I want to know what?
Huh?
Are you deaf?
No.
Are you deaf? Look at the puke. Sonny, would you be quiet up there? Tell him, Popeye, tell him. You tell him. It's kind of weird, his eyes get small and big. Sonny, calm down up there.
No.
Are you, do I want to know what? Some conversation with himself. You really have a conversation. My first have a conversation. Somebody's talking to Sonny. Somebody's talking to bird. Yeah, everybody see my bird clean himself. Are you hearing from Popeye? Popeye. Oh, he's getting ready to bite your phone again. Yeah, you see how you get close, all he just turns his head. How are you doing, Popeye? So weird. Wait, one more I wake up, he's like digging off a freaking little toy over there. Popeye, you talking to yourself? I'm glad you came in at. What? What are you mumbling? Yeah? Dude, was he about to What?
Get phone cop.
Are you talking to yourself? Are you talking to yourself again? Are you talking to yourself? No, you're not? You're not talking to yourself? What? Really? What? Speak English. Speak English. Hello? What the fuck's wrong with you? You should see when he eats. You give him vegan food. Don't you put me on camera. If you have pizza, he'll eat the crust. Steve. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, walk away. Wait, I talk shit and walk away? You're moving so fast, Popeye. One step at a time. Ugh. No, Sonny's like, what? I was not even talking to you. I'm talking about Sonny. Yeah, the guy that's above you. Does he falling asleep? What is with you and cleaning yourself? Oh, there's Sonny. Cute little Sonny. He's like, oh, what is that? He's just like, I can't run nowhere. Oh, Poppy's trying to go. Poppy's going up above. Nope, it's going back down. Looks like he's trying to dance. Are you trying to do a show off to everybody? Yeah?
You're going on YouTube, Popeye. You're going on YouTube.
Well, how many times do you see a parrot that can talk?